Hi everyone, in this short video I'm gonna show you how you can protect your car from theft in a simple and affordable way. So this here is a wheel lock that I got from Amazon. I know that a wheel lock is not a new method, but this model here has many benefits. So first of all, it is bright yellow, so anyone can see it from outside, so this will deter the thieves. And also it is very sturdy and it has double hooks on each side. And it has a texture also, a rubber texture that can protect your car. And on top of that, it has a very good lock here. And you see this lock cannot be tampered with. So I'm gonna show you now how to install it, and we're gonna test it on my Subaru Legacy. So now I want to show you how to use the lock. So this is the lock position. When you put it on the wheel, you need to stretch it like this, and then it cannot go in anymore because now it is locked. Now you put the key, of course, like this, and then you open it. When you open it, you cannot remove the key. So this is also a very good mechanism against forgetting to lock it. So you close it like this. So now I'm gonna show you how to put it on the wheel. To put it on the wheel, first put the key in, and then unlock it, and then put this part on the wheel like this, stretch it a bit, and then put it here like this. Put it in a way that if someone turns the wheel, it will touch something and the wheel will not turn. So I'm gonna put it like this here, and then I'm gonna stretch it now, like that. So stretch it good, and then close it and stretch it once more. And now it is installed, so it cannot be removed anymore. And now you can remove the lock. So now the wheel will not turn to the left anymore, as you see. It is really locked, so it cannot be removed. Now to remove it, it's very easy. You put also the key in the lock, and then you unlock it, and then simply you bring it in like this, and then you can remove it this way. By the way, if you want to check out this wheel lock, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage, but this is at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.